So here we have a problem called word search, where we need to find if the given word geek or any word that exists in the matrix, but we can visit one cell once, and from there we can move horizontally, vertically, right and left to find the word. We can go through that until we find the word. So to solve this, let us take a DFS function. Define DFS. Initially takes the matrix and word and the positions where they are. Let's say I and j be x comma y and the position of the word that is currently there. So what we do initially is we'll loop through the matrix. Let's say this is the for loop and this is a j loop. Length of mat of 0, and if the given matrix value is equal to the word of 0, that means we found the first position where we need to traverse, and we'll apply DFS there. We'll take the inputs word mat I j and initially start the word index from 0, and if this condition is satisfied, that means if we found some true value down here, we'll return true, or else we'll write a simple return false. And let us go through the function that is there. So let us take the length of the matrix be n, so we can write the conditions without writing all this. And if the z index is equal to the length of word, that means we found the end, we'll return true. And here we are doing DFS. So if the conditions, that means if x is less than 0 or y is less than 0 or x greater than or equal to n or y greater than equal to m, if these conditions are satisfied, that means we are out of bounds, so this is a return false statement. And if the given matrix of ij is equal to the word of z, that means we found another value that is there. And initially we'll set the matrix value to a hash value, because whenever we came through a new value, we'll go back again, so it may give some issues. So we'll mark it with hash, and let us take a variable res, and let us write the conditions. DFS mat comma word comma, we'll just improve x plus 1 comma z plus 1, and check an or condition with this along with this. That means if we found a true value on any position here, we can return true in the end. So let us update the values. X minus 1 comma y, that means down, sorry, up. And let us move through the columns y plus 1 and remove x plus 1, and this is y minus 1. So this is the DFS function we can write. And after doing this, we'll set the matrix of ij to its value back and return the rest. That means if we found a truth value or not, and return false if this isn't possible. Let us submit this and check if it works. We just made a mistake. We'll replace ij with xy. So that's how we solve it. Please like, share and subscribe.